Imagine a stone thrown into a calm lake. The ripples it creates extend far beyond the initial splash. Today we delve into a similar situation, the United Auto Workers strike, a seemingly localized event with ripples affecting the entire U.S. economy. We're now in the fourth week of this ongoing strike, a standoff that has already cost the economy a staggering $5.5 billion, breaking all previous records. With over 25,000 UAW members on strike, the consequences are far-reaching, much like the ripples on the lake. When we talk about billions of dollars, it's easy to lose sight of what that truly means. So let's break it down. The impact of this strike is far-reaching, touching every corner of the auto industry. United Auto Workers members have watched roughly $579 million in wages disappear. Automakers are grappling with a staggering $2.68 billion loss. Dealers and customers, they're not immune either, facing a $1.26 billion hit. And the suppliers? They're reeling from a $1.6 billion loss. These numbers are more than just statistics. They represent livelihoods, businesses, and a significant chunk of the U.S. economy. A strike doesn't exist in a vacuum. It triggers a domino effect, impacting various sectors of the economy. Let's take the suppliers, for instance. The ongoing strike has put them under intense strain, with more than 30% already reporting layoffs. This situation is expected to worsen by mid-October. And it's not just a handful of people who are affected. Ford has issued a stark warning that if the strike continues, up to a staggering 500,000 supplier employees could face layoffs. The dominoes have started to fall and the end is not yet in sight. As we have seen, the economic impact of the UAW strike extends far beyond the picket lines. The ongoing strike has set a new record, causing losses surpassing $5.5 billion. This colossal figure includes lost wages of UAW members, lost revenues for automakers, dealers, and customers, and significant losses for suppliers. The strain on suppliers is palpable, with over 30% reporting layoffs. If the strike persists, up to 500,000 supplier employees could face layoffs. The ripples from this strike continue to spread. The question remains, how much more will they cost the U.S. economy?